Welcome to How to Create Chords. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build chords and show you what kind of different types of chords there are. Now, if you don't know what a chord is, it's where you play several notes at the same time. A note is singular. You can play one note at a time, but if you play two or more notes at the same time, that is considered as a chord. Now, you can play random two notes, or random 3, 4, 5 notes at the same time, and it will sound pretty bad. But if you know which notes to play, and or you could just mess around on the piano and play several notes when it sounds good, that means those notes relate to one another. Those notes sound really well with one another, and that is called harmony. When you can play several notes at the same time and they sound great, it's called harmony. Now, in this course, I'm going to be showing you how to play harmony chords and how to use these chords in different scenarios, and I'm going to teach you different types of chords throughout the entire course. Now, let's begin and build our first chord. There is 4 different types of chords we need to know. There's the major, the minor, the diminished, and the augmented. Now, the first one is the major. It's the happy chord. The second chord is the minor. It's the minor chord. These 2 are the basic chords. There's the major and the minor. Most people don't even know what a diminished and an augmented is, so we're not even going to dive down into that. I'm just going to tell you that they exist, and we're going to be talking about them more in the advanced section. So, the basic chords are major and minor chords. Major is the happy, minor is the sad. How the major is built is by playing the scale degree of 1, 3, and 5. So we take in the key of C. Let's play the first degree, the third degree, and the fifth degree. So in this case, it's going to be C, E, and G. Go ahead and play C, E, and G at the same time on your piano. Now, when you play the first degree, the third degree, and the fifth degree at the same time, this is considered as a triad chord, is where you start with the first degree. In this case, it's going to be the C major triad chord. Now, if we want to play C minor, this is where we take the third degree half a step down to play into a minor chord. Look what I mean. We take E half a step down to an E flat. That would make it into a minor chord. So now we're going to be playing C, E flat, and G. That is considered as the minor, C minor triad chord. We could play the major. Now we play the minor. You see how it changes from a happy to a sad? So the major is the happy, and then this one is the minor. Now we could play this in any key signature. If we take, for example, A, so let's play the first degree, the third degree, and the fifth degree of A. In this case, it's going to be A, C sharp, and E. This is the major chord. Now, if we take it a half a step down, it's going to be called the minor, A minor. There you go. That's the sad. So that's how chords are built. You play the first degree, third degree, and fifth degree, and it makes it into a major chord. And if you take the third degree half a step down, it makes it into a minor chord. Now, how diminished are built is where you take 3 half steps between every single note. So if we start with C, like always, play C. Now we take 3 half steps. This is going to be E flat. 3 more half steps. This is going to be G flat. 3 more. A, and 3 more. And there we go. We go back to C. So if we play them all in total, it's going to be C, E flat, G flat, and A. And it goes again, C, E flat, G flat, A, and up to infinity. This is a diminished chord. This is where we play more in the advanced section. Right now, we don't really know that in the basic section. We're only going to be playing major and minors. This is just chord music theory, so you know how they basically relate to one another and what kind of chords there are. The fourth chord is called the augmented chord. This is not where the 3 half steps. This is now 4 half steps in between each other. So we're going to play the C. 4 half steps is going to be the E. 4 more half steps is going to be the G sharp. And 4 more is going to be the C again. And it keeps repeating all the way to infinity. So this is called the augmented chord. So the diminished is 3 half steps between each other. The diminished 7, actually. We'll get into that into the advanced section, of course. And the augmented is 4 half steps in between each other. So the 4 chords we know is the major, the minor, diminished, and augmented. We're going to focus more on the major and the minor more. And the diminished and augmented we're not going to touch until the advanced section, like I said earlier. So that is the brief explanation how to build chords and how chords relate to one another, so you know which notes to play to make a perfect harmony. So let's move on to our next video, and thank you for watching.